because they saw buffalo whenever they came through that section. Elk Creek, same.
Yeah.
So you got a lot of different names, stuff like that. Again, this
Man, this is just steep and windy.
It's very steep and windy. Right here at the top of the hill, this is where the connector is from.
And you said this is side by sides.
Well, the side by sides use it. This is open to full size vehicles. It's Trail 30 right there. That will take you, like I say, you can go straight down to right behind Walmart. You share the road and the trail here for just a second or two, coming down the hill, and it'll take you back out to the lodge and the cottages.
This big old building down here.
That's the rec area, the rec building. Again, there's a indoor swimming pool in there, gym. I'm not sure exactly.
Is that the public or?
Yes.
This part of the park?
Yes, it's part of the park.
Wow.
Yeah, you're still in the park here.
You know, I lived here all my life and I've never been here. I mean, I live, what, an hour away?
Yeah, roughly an hour away. It's a cool area. It's a cool area. And like I say, this road here that we're on is not very old. It's 10 or 12 years old, maybe.
Yeah.
So none of this, none of the lodge or any of this stuff was here 15 years ago. Here's where the
looks like an old, or is that Bearwallow?
This is
up there?
Yeah, this is the other end of the connector.
Yeah, because you can see up on top up there.
Yeah, it just goes up the hill and it keeps you off this main road. Is what it's trying to do on the for the side by sides of the four wheelers.
Look at that baseball field.
Yeah, they're building. I mean, they've put a lot of infrastructure in here. Artificial turf, yeah.
Wow.
They're building soccer fields. I think in this section here, I think is what this is going to be.
Man, that is not. That's the nicest one I've seen.
It's a top-notch facility, is what they're putting in here. They really are. If you'll cut up the hill here, I'll show you the lodge and the cabins. They got the Almost Heaven swing is up here, and again, this is the north side of the park. This is, if you look straight out over here, you can see 119. You got a direct access to 119. Shooting range over here. They've got a wildlife management area over here where you can hunt, actually, this time of the year.
How did I not know about all this?
A lot of this is...
I mean, you can tell it's new.
Yeah, a lot of this is probably came since you went to South Carolina, just to be honest.
Yeah. That's 8 years ago.
Yeah. Yeah, it's... I'm going to guess probably the lodge is the oldest piece of this, and it's probably 15 years at most.
Unreal. It amazes me that the way they've done this has not boosted this town.
It has. It really has. And
because this town was kind of
this town was dead.
Yeah.
It was absolutely dead without a doubt. Matter of fact, on the way back, we'll run back through town and I kind of show you. This is the lodge. There's a nice restaurant downstairs.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. You come up here and get you a lodge room. You got these people are camping over here with you.
Look at that back over that valley.
That's 119.
119. So it goes right through that valley.
You can get right on there and go. You're 45 minutes from Charleston. Go straight up in.
Which is quarter G.
Quarter G, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You got cottages back on the hill here, and if you want to cut through the parking lot here, you got your Almost Heaven swing. You can come take your pretty little pictures and with the foliage and all that stuff.
But that is a perfect spot.
Yeah, they frame those on the back side of the little. I didn't realize this until we were up one of the other signs not too long ago. On the back side of this, the West Virginia sign, they've got a little frame holder, and you can set your timer on your camera, and you can just set the camera right on the back side of that sign, and it frames it for you.
That's funny.
Yeah, they really thought that stuff out whenever they done them, and they've got those all over the state now.
Man, if we'd only been here 2 weeks ago.
Yeah. 2 weeks ago, it was
probably been a line of people.
Yeah, well, it was quite a bit richer.